Alright, I'm going to make the best beer cheese you ever had in your life. Some people call it German beer cheese. Some people call it Kentucky beer cheese. I don't give a shit either way. The best beer cheese I ever had was from a restaurant. It's a little German restaurant. It was called the hell was that called? The Amber Rose. Me and my wife go there sometimes. We both got some German blood in us. So I'm going to start with half a cup of stale Budweiser. Then I'm going to get a half a cup of spring water or filtered water, whatever you got. I like this spring water. It's pretty good. Now we're going to use half a teaspoon of Worcestershire. You can use more if you really like it. Okay. Now spices. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Dump it in there. Now we're going to use 1/8 of Frank's Red Hot. I'll put that shit on everything. You can use a 1/4 cup. I'm using 1/8 to start, and I'm going to taste it. Sometimes I use a 1/4 cup. Right now I'm using 1/8 of a cup of Frank's Red Hot. Now the only 2 other things we use are a whole thing of Philadelphia cream cheese and 3 large cloves of garlic, finely chopped. But you don't want to put them in there now because it's a textural thing. Put them in a bowl, and then you add this after you blend it. Blend this shit up, and we'll come to the next step. In a large bowl, you want to add a whole package of Philadelphia cream cheese, 3 large chopped up cloves of garlic. Now you want to add everything that's in your blender. This is exactly what I try at that fancy restaurant when me and my wife go for special occasions. Football game, Super Bowl. It's the best damn cheese you're ever going to eat in your fucking life. I promise you. Good shit. Smack a mound in a bowl. Round it out. Put some paprika on top of it or some cayenne pepper. Put it on a plate. Put some crackers around it. It'll be the best thing you ever eat in your life. I promise. Round that shit out. Fuck your mama, bitch! That's what it looks like with some pumpernickel bread. A little bit of paprika. If you like spices, use the cayenne instead of the paprika. We got pretzels. We got rye bread. What else do we eat with this? We got crackers still in pieces. It's beer cheese. Check it out. It's good stuff. I like it with a rye bread here. Pretzels, crackers, whatever you want. Check that out. That's fucking good.